Greetings gang, Skypilot here, welcome to my channel. Well, it's a bit overcast outside, so I'm going to hit the workbench. Pulled out one of my old favourites, the EMAX Babyhawk R Pro. This has been a long-term unit for me. I absolutely love it. But what I haven't liked about it is the VTX range. I never thought was very good. What I'm going to do is replace the current Lollipop, which is a UX2 on the back here. I shall replace that with a Lollipop of choice 5.8 gig racing antenna. This is the Cherry Rush, and of course you can get this in all your different connections, your SMAs, MMCX 90 degrees, or an IPEX connection. So I've got one, as you can see here, for the gap, and that does a fabulous job. I love these little Rush Cherry antennas. When you do purchase it, you get them in a kit of 2. So they come in a little packet here. Inside you get some mounting screws, a couple of TPU mounts there, should you need them on your unit. I do like how it has the thick stem there, so that if you wish to use the mounting attachment there, it can just sit straight in there and be held nice and secure. I'm going to pull the EMAX roof off. I'm going to stick in the Rush Lollipop, and I am going to have a fly the spot I normally go to, so I can actually see which Lollipop performs better. I'm sort of hoping the Rush does perform better, otherwise this is a complete waste of time. So what I'm going to do is I will actually have a fly with both the UX antenna on, and straight away another flight with the Rush on, so we can compare them both. I shall fly with 850s, 4S's. I've got the new Graphene 20 here. Straight up next, guys, footage from the UX2. Right next to that will be Rush Lollipop footage, so yeah, let me know which you guys think is better. EMAX Babyhawk R Pro. I've got the UX2 VTX Lollipop on the rear. This is a 5.8 giga. I'm going to see how far we can get. Then I'm going to chuck on the Rush Lollipop, and I'm going to do exactly the same flight, and I'm going to see just how much it improves or doesn't improve at all. We're going to see. Let's get into it. I'll be fairly ginger too, because I don't want to go for a walk up the paddock. I'll just run along this fence line here. I know there is a tank up there, which I'm going to be... Okay, so we're starting to break up now, up at the tank. It's not too bad at all, actually. Just try that again. Let's get the feel of this thing again. This thing's got a lot of kick, guys. Okay, so we're going to pass the tank and turn around, and she's still looking really good. Okay, go a little bit further, nice and slowly up to the road. Okay, so we're starting to break up there, up at the road. That's as far as I'm going to go. I'm actually fairly surprised, guys. I didn't think it was that good. Okay, let's do a slow pass up the drive here. I do know normally I break up just about here, so this will be a good test as well. You can see which tree I'm at. It's pretty good. Okay, we're starting to break up here, so let's come back down. Yeah, this has surprised me, guys. This is actually performing a heck of a lot better than I thought it would before I hit the tree. Bugger. So I think that worked out pretty well, guys. It's let's just have a land. The target is up past the tank up there. Let's get those antennas swapped over. Okay, I have installed the rush antenna on the rear. So now I'm going to scoot to the same spot up the hill there and see how this VTX compares with this lollipop I've got on the back here. And I'll also go up around the road up there, see what happens. Hopefully I won't be going for a walk up the hill today. Take it easy and avoid the trees. RSSI is a bit lower. Stay along the fence line. And this is about how far I got last time. Let's spin it around, see if we get any breakup. Let's look a little bit better. Getting a strange RSSI reading there of 44, that's incorrect. I'm not too sure what's going on there. Okay. Let's just go a little bit further and just push it. It is a bit windy. Yeah. Okay, I'll call that an improvement. Facing away from myself, which always produces a poorer signal. Yeah, that's much better. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay. Shall I push it to the road? Alright, let's have a look. Nice and steady. RX lost? No, we're down. Okay, take two. By the power of editing, yeah, you've just missed me going for a big walk up. I lost RX signal, I fail-safed, but having retrieved it, was actually right up over the hill. I can't even see where I'm down here from where I picked it up from, so I think it was too far away. However, the VTX is certainly performing really well. Take two. Okay, we won't do that again. That was yeah, too much of a walk. Maybe get a bit more elevation on us. Yeah, it's dropping straight down to the 40s for the RSSI at the moment. Not too sure what's going on. However, I'm really happy with this Rush Lollipop, guys. Very, very happy. Let's head up the road on our roadside trip. See how it performs up there. I'm standing in pretty much the same spot. It's really hard to go slow with this Babyhawk Pro. It just wants to go really fast. Okay, so I was well and truly breaking up here with the previous antenna. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Let's get back down here. Yeah, I'm happy with that. It's yeah, there's too many trees there, guys. I don't like that. Let's head out in the oval, shall we? Yeah, really happy with this Rush antenna, folks. Really, really happy. What a beauty. Whereas I was getting some breakup before, I am no longer getting breakup, so that's cool. Not too sure what's going on with my RSSI. I'm about to fail-safe again. Sitting on about 20 or 30. I'll have to hook it into Betaflight again. Not too long on the battery today, folks, as it was sounding the alarm for about 5 minutes before I walked up and retrieved it. Bit of a pain. Okay, low battery beeper. Yeah, I need to do an upgrade of my firmware of this. It's about probably 4 months out of date now. Okay, let's land away before we run out of power. I have improved my VTX of this 4-inch racer. Lots of fun to fly, guys, this thing. If anyone out there has any information. However, very happy with that. Got some exercise out of it. I flew a long way with minimal and, more importantly, improved VTX reception, so that's really cool. Thanks, guys. Thumbs up. Drop me a comment. Good to see you. EMAX R Pro. This thing's deadly. See you real soon. Take it easy, guys. Bye for now.